Hello, my dear student. Myself, Dr. Subhash Sahu, Associate Professor, Department of Dravya. Today, we are going to discuss about the plant Rasna. In the previous class, we have covered the plant Gogul and Aranda. That plants are also in the Vedanastapan Mahakashaya. Today, we discuss about the next important plant, Rasna. Rasna is a very important plant. You have seen this plant in our campus. It is hugely available in the herbal garden of our institutions. It is a controversial plant. Many plants are considered as rasna in the different parts of the country, but the most accepted one is the Pluchia lanceolata, which is the original rasna, and it is available in our garden. As I have told, Pluchia lanceolata is the Latin name of rasna. It belongs to Asteraceae family. In Hindi, it is called as rasna, and in English, it is known as Indian camphor wheat. The genus of the plant Pulchia lanceolata is named in the honor of the French naturalist Noel Antonin Pluche. So it is known as Pluchia. The plant is assigned as rasna because it is resemble with tongue. The leaves of this plant is resemble with the human tongue. So it is known as rasna, or it is resemble with rasanendriya, which is the seat of rasa, or which is used for rasa detection. Since very beginning, this plant is used in various painful condition and swelling. It cures many neuromuscular conditions, and Charako has also considered it as the best drug for Vata Vyadhi. Rasna Vata Haranan. Rasna Vata Harananam Sreshtam. It is mentioned in the Charaka Sutra 25th chapter. It is also used in the form of paste with aguru and applied to relief from cold. It is also mentioned in the same chapter. And as I have told earlier, this is a controversial plant, and the most correct identity of rasna is Pluchia lanceolata. Besides its use in human, it is also used in case of animal also. Vernacular names in Assamese, it is known as Rasnapat, in Bengali Rasna, in Punjabi Resi, in Urdu Rasna. There are so many synonyms of rasna is available. The first one is Ela Parni. Ela Parni. Ela is a plant. Parni matlab leaves. The shape of its leaf is resemble with the leaves of the Ela. So it is known as Ela Parni. Then Rasna. Rasna, the shape of the leaves is resembles with the human tongue. So it is known as Rasna. Then Rasya. It acts on the rasa dhatu, so it is known as rasya. Then Shreyasi. Shreyasi means the plant is the best drug for Vata Vyadhi, so it is known as Shreyasi. Sugandha. It is a aromatic plant, or it produces pleasant odor, so it is known as Sugandha. Surasa. The plant has nourishing properties, so it is known as Surasa. Suvaha. It promotes the circulation of rasa dhatu in srotas, so it is known as Subaha. And Yukta Rasa, the plant has fully developed rasa, so it is known as Yukta Rasa. Then classical categorizations, it is almost mentioned in all the classical books like Brihatri and all the Nighantus. In Charaka Samhita, it is mentioned in Vayastapan and Anuvasanupag Mahakasaya. Susruta has mentioned it in the Arkadi and Slesma Prasaman Grove. Then Ashtahridaya mentioned it in Arkadi Varga. In Dhanvantari Nigantu, it is mentioned in Guduchadi Varga. Madanpal mentioned it in Abhayadi Varga. Kaidam Nigantu Oshadi Varga, Rach Nigantu Pipalyadi Varga, and Mahaprakash Nigantu mentioned in Haritakyadi Varga. Then distributor. It is abundantly available in the tropical and semi-tropical area of India like Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and Madhya Pradesh. It is plentifully available in our campus also. You have seen many times. This is the photographs of Clucha lanceolata from our herbal garden. It is an erect under shrubs 30 to 70 centimeter height. The stems and branches are terete, ash in color, and pubescent. This is the demographic appearance of the plant. This is the single plant. In the leaves are simple, alternate, sessile. There is no petiole. Very coriaceous, near about 1 to 3 inches long, and 0.5 to 1 inches width. It is oblong or lanceolate in shape, obtuse or apiculate apex, as green color, pubescent both the sides. Then flowers. Initially it is white in color, then it turns to purple color, near about 5 mm long, and forming a terminal corimbus panicle. Then fruits. Acne with one-sided paper share, oblong, smooth, distinctly cornate base. The plant is propagated through its seeds or rootstocks. Then phenology. Its flowering time is April to June, and now the fruiting time. Fruiting time is June to August. This time the plant produces the fruit. Then types. Only Raj Nigantu has described the 3 types of rasana as per the classics, and it is Mula rasana, Patra rasana, and Trishna rasana. Mula rasana is Alpinia galanga, Patra rasana is Lucia lanceolata, which you have seen in the earlier photographs. Then Truna rasana, that is Vanda roxburghii. According to Raj Nigantu, Mula and Patra rasana has the highest efficacy, and Truna rasana has the medium potency. Then Ras Panchak. It has Guru Guna, Tiktaras, Katubipa, and Ushnavirya. Chemical constituent. The whole plant contains Eudesmane types of sesquiterpenoids, quercetin, then taxifolin, hormononetin, then hexacosanol, then alpha and beta sitasterol, lignin glycosides, and plucin 7O glucosides. Then action. It has Amapachaka digestive action, Shuthahara anti-inflammatory action, Sulagna analgesic, Sitahara cold alleviating action, Visagna antidote, Jwaragna antipyretic, Rakta Sodhaka blood purifier, and Dosha karma is Vata Kapha Samak, Dhatu karma is Vedana Stapan and Sotahara, and Mala karma is Vatanu Loman narration. Then pharmacological action. It is reported as hepatoprotective, antioxidant, antispasmodic, nervine tonic, diaphoretic, anti-arthritic, muscle relaxant, anti-cancerous, laxative, and CNS stimulant. Then indications. It has lots of indication, mainly in the rheumatic problem of or Vata Vyadhi and respiratory tract disorders. It is used in Amavata rheumatism, Sandhivata or osteoarthritis, Vata Rakta or gout, Kampavata or convulsion, Angaghata or paralysis, Nadisula neuritis, Katisula lumbago, Sotha inflammatory diseases, Udara abdominal diseases, Aruchi dyspepsia, then Kasa, Swasa and Hicca, cough, bronchitis and hiccough, then intestinal and biliary colics, Mutrapucha or dysuria, and Arsa, Visa, Visamjara, and Dushtavrana. Then therapeutic indication, as I have told in the previous slide, it is mainly indicated in the Vata Vyadhi, mainly Amavata or rheumatoid arthritis. Decoction prepared with Rasna, Guduchi, Aranda, Devdaru and Sunthi are given daily to relieve pain and inflammation in Amavata, Sandhivata, Katishur and Pakshaghat. Rasana Saptak is a preparation of Rasana which is also given in this condition. And Gidrasi or sciatica, Rasana and Gugul are mixed together and pounded with ghee and made into pills, which is known as Rasana Gugul. It is taken 2 tablets twice daily in Gidrasi and other Vata Vyadhi. Then Vata Rakta or gout, daily intake of decoction of Rasana, Guduchi and Aragvadha with Arand Tela is very efficacious in Vata Rakta. Then official parts use and dose. The whole plant is used medicinally and sometimes root and leaves are also used individually. The normal dose of this plant is 50 to 100 ml in the form of decoction. Important formulations are Rasnadi Kwat, Rasna Saptak Kwat, Rasna Panchak Kwat, Rasnadi Krita, Rasnadi Gugul, Rasnadi Taila. Then substitution and adulteration. As I have told in the first slide, Rasna is a controversial drug. In different parts of India, different plants are used in the name of Rasna. These are the few names. The first one is Pluchia lanceolata, which is the most authentic and accepted plant for Rasna. It is mainly accepted in North India, in Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Punjab. Then the second one is Alpinia galanga. It is known as Rasna in South India. And Inula racemosa, which is Pushkar Mool, also known as Rasna in Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh. Then Vanda roxburghi, it is the Bengali Rasna. Then Tylophora asthmatica, Anicostema littoral, which is known as Mamajak in Gujarat. It is also known as Trina Rasna in Gujarat. Then Aristolochia indica in Bombay and Shillong. Then Withenio coagulans, it is a type of ashwagandha. It is also known as Rasna in Sindh, Punjab, Afghanistan. And it is also known as Sindh Rasna. And points to remember, Rasna is a controversial drug. Many plants are used in the name of Rasna throughout the country, but Pluchia lanceolata is the authentic and accepted source of Rasna. And it is the best drug for Vata Vyadhi. As Charaka has told, Rasna Vata Harananam Sreshtam. It is also used in Sotha, Sula and Sita. As per Mahaprakash Nigantu, Rasna Yukta Rasa, Rasya Subha Rasana Rasa, Elaparnecha Surasa, Sugandha Shreyasi Tatha, Rasna Amapachani, Tikta Guru, Usna, Kafavatajit, Sotha Swasa Samirasra, Vata Sula Udarapaha, Kasa Jvara Visa Sita, Vatika Maya Siddha. This is about the plant Rasna. Very important plant. You have to remember this. Thank you.